Welcome everybody, my name is Miss Wildiful and today we're going to be introducing my new puppy. His name is Jay and he is so cute. But first, look at these squirrels. Okay, I just opened mouse holes and the squirrels decided to come out and play. I don't know, I wonder if they're going to get paint on them. Look at those little squirrels. So I'm mainly making this video today because I want to introduce my new puppy. I'm so excited to meet him today. I've had him for a few days, but I really haven't done anything with him because I've just been so busy with work, and all week I've been looking forward to, there he is, he wants to come out. Let's let him out. We're gonna see if he's, oh look, the squirrel got paint on him. Is he a traitor or not? Which one is he going to choose? Because actually, I don't want to let him choose yet. I didn't know the squirrels could get painted. Okay, I'm so overwhelmed with activity right now. So basically, Jay came from Meomi. And Meowmi's on Team Blueberry, so this little puppy, he comes from Team Blueberry, and we're gonna see if he actually accepts being part of Team Raspberry now, because I'm Team Raspberry. So we're gonna see how he feels. Let's see which one he chooses. I can't believe the squirrels got paint on. That is so cute. Oh look, he got the squirrel. Wow, he got the squirrel. That's his first maneuver ever. He caught the squirrel. He is a chubby little guy. I don't know if y'all can hear my mother's in the background. She's talking to the dogs. Talking to our physical real life dogs. Man, he is good. I can't believe he's caught a squirrel twice. I mean, he's just a baby and he's great at catching squirrels. I've had adult dogs that cannot catch squirrels for nothing. So let's see which one he chooses, Jay. Are you going to accept being a raspberry or are you a traitor? Which one are you going to choose today? Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my. He's a traitor. He's still loyal to Team Blueberry. Off with his head and his tail. We cannot have this. He's a traitor. Look at him. What are we gonna do with this little guy? He's a traitor. Look at that little guy. He's a traitor. This is just no, okay? Listen, Jay. You're a raspberry now. Look, you're a raspberry. You better accept it, okay? You better accept that you're a raspberry now. And then let's go ahead and just clean him up. Okay. Look at him. Okay, see, he accepts it. He says, okay, I guess I have to be a raspberry now. He accepts it. But let's also introduce him to his new family. Go ahead and introduce him to let's go ahead and introduce him to his family. His new family. And just see how they like one another. I don't know if I should just do one at a time. Let's do Sieta, because Sieta is the poster child for my charity campaign in my Team K9 unit. Oh, they're the same color. Just what we need. Another dog who's blonde. This is the third blonde dog on this team. All of my dogs are either blonde or brown this year. I don't know why. That's because I just love brown and just so happened I had a few that were born blonde. Oh, look at them. They like each other. That's good. Yeah. So, fun fact about Jay. We don't know where his ears came from. Meomi tried to tell me it was Dahlia's lab overwrite file that gave him his ears. And she also sent me the Husky Dally overwrite. And basically, pretty much, I could not find out. I couldn't figure out where his ears came from. And nobody can. I posted a picture of him in another pets group, and somebody tried to say Papillon, and it makes sense. He looks like he could have Papillon ears, but he's not part Papillon, unless he's tree trimmed, and maybe that's where his ears come from. He's secretly part Papillon. We really don't know. We came to the conclusion that it was original breed, but yeah, we still do not know. How old is he? 15? Okay, that's fine. Enjoy his puppy time as long as we can. Let's see how he likes our other dogs. Gacela, Davina, and Mocha. Hopefully he doesn't get bullied. I thought Siesta was gonna pick him up for a second. Alright, everybody is accepting him. Baby Jaden. Jay is so cute. I love his little muzzle markings. Okay, there's Gacela and Mocha up there practicing their little tug. Aw, Davina likes him. That's good. I think they all they like him. Except for Davina growled at him a little bit, and then Mocha is saying hi. That's good. They seem to be okay with him. That's good that they accept him. Hopefully they continue to accept him, even though he chose Blueberry. I hope nobody tells them that he chose Blueberry initially. We can't have a spy, you know, then they would shun him, then they would arrest him because he's Team Blueberry, and we don't need a spy around here. Oh, look at Jay, he's singing. That's adorable. So today we're going to take them to the beach, and we're going to do some gardening with them. Those are the challenges we're going to complete today. I usually don't make it into a video, but I thought it would be fun to do that today, especially with our new baby puppy, Jay. Let's grow let's grow everything. We're going to grow tomatoes, radish, and carrot, and hopefully my game doesn't crash because of this, because that wouldn't be fun. But yep, we're going to grow all of this fun stuff. And hopefully they'll eat some of our vegetables that we grow. This is chaos. We have 5 dogs on scene now. And they're probably going to mess with the placement of our seeds, but that's okay. Alright. And they're going to get wet too. They're in the way of the watering. Okay, they like the water, and Jay is enjoying watching. I don't know if he'll like it though. No, he doesn't. He doesn't like water. Aw, he does not like water. That's like Mocha. Mocha's the only one who doesn't like water either. So they have that in common. Sometimes when I garden, it's crashed my game before. So hopefully it doesn't happen this time. I think before I tried to grow corn, someone made some custom content corn, and my computer did not like it. Aw, is Jay sad? Is he looks like he's kind of scared. He looks nervous. He probably is. I mean, he's around a bunch of stranger dogs. And he likes the carrot seeds. I'm glad they all like him. They'll probably be pallet around here pretty soon. And Gacela is singing. Sing praise to the new member of Team K9 unit. Somebody, I think it's Mocha. Mocha's scared. I must have got him with the water and I didn't realize it because he keeps running around. Okay. Today I'm also going to film the flyball competition. I have a flyball playdate competition, and but I just had to do this first because I've just been wanting to do this all week. Oh man, Mocha, stay out of the way if you don't like the water. Poor Mocha. Come on, Mocha, you're a K9 officer. You don't have to be afraid of the water. He thinks I have something out, like, he thinks I'm out to get him or something because he keeps running around. The other ones don't mind, the other ones like it. It's only Mocha and Jay don't like the water. So let's see if we can grow some tomatoes. You can tell clearly that these are PF Magic tomatoes because they keep teleporting. Oh, Jay, I'm sorry. You ran under the water. I wonder if Jay likes cheese or not. Most of the dogs do not like cheese. I guess it runs in the Avier family. They just don't like cheese. Okay, so now we've grown some tomatoes. Radishes, I forgot they're underground, so let's see. I'm sorry, Jay. Does his neglect go up every time that happens? Or does his... No? Okay, I was afraid that he was feeling abused because of the water. It's not supposed to be torture, Jay. You keep running under the water. I forgot some dogs don't like the water. Alright, let's see if anybody will eat some tomatoes. Anybody want some tomatoes? Yeah, Mocha and Davina say yes, we want tomatoes. Mocha is eating. Mocha ate some tomatoes, that was cool. Does anybody else want to eat tomatoes, or is it just Mocha? Will they eat some? Anybody else can eat the tomato? Yeah, Mocha. Mocha loves tomatoes. Now he's gonna run around with one. And Davina says, I want a carrot. Okay, Davina, eat a carrot. Davina's carrying around the tomato now. They're having a good time. Look at all this gardening bonanza. Oh, look, Jay's got a radish he's carrying around. And Davina's carrying one around. This is wonderful. It's like a cornucopia. It's like Thanksgiving, but with dogs, and we're in the garden. Jay's feeling pretty happy. Siesta looked a little angry at Jay, like, Jay smells like a blueberry. Well, you know what? They're having a really good time out here. We have a lot of things that we've grown, and there's a vegetable party. Too bad we can't cook in Pets, man. If we could cook, I could gather up all of these produce, put it in a pot, and make something else for them to eat. That would be really cool. Love to see that one day if that was possible. If we could crack the source code of Pets and do something like that. Jay might have some athletic potential. Did you see that? Just a few seconds ago, he did a flip. I hope it looks like it might be a good omen. Okay, we're gonna do beach time next. So much chaos. Okay, we're gonna take him to the beach now. We're gonna see how they like it out here. Okay. And I think I'm supposed to get them to interact with the hermit crab. Yeah, I think so. I think there's a bonus point if I could get them to interact with the hermit crab. Oh, look at them. Mocha and Jay are having a siesta, and so are Siesta and okay. Casella said, "Wake up, Davina." So now they're just gonna sleep on the beach. Is that it? That's peaceful. What about when the waves come up? That's adorable. Jay put them to sleep. Davina found a seashell. Aw, what the heck, Davina? They don't want the other dogs to sleep. They keep pouncing on each other. Okay, we're just waiting now for the hermit crab to get washed up. Hopefully we get it soon. Mocha, you're gonna get splashed with water and then you're gonna be upset and it won't be my fault. Where is that hermit crab? We need it. We need it to support Team Raspberry because Team Blueberry is kind of killing it this year. Yeah, Davina is enjoying that toy. And, man, and now Mocha wants to play tug-of-war with Siesta, I think. Oh, look at them go! Look at Gasella and Davina. Oh my goodness. Officer battle. Who will be the strongest, Gasella? That's so funny. Gasella challenged Davina over the toy. I swear, they're obsessed with tug-of-war. Ever since I filmed the video, the intro video where they were playing tug-of-war a lot as officers, they just love tug-of-war now. Okay, well, I don't know where the hermit crab is. I keep waiting for it to pop up and I just don't see it, so... Let's see if we can find it in here. I don't know if it's cheating, but let's see if we can find it in here. I don't see it. I can have him drink a coconut. Let's have him drink a coconut on the beach. Jay wants to drink a coconut. Yeah, they can't get the coconut. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to, I guess we're gonna have to find the hermit crab later. I'm gonna have to film the flyball playdate competition soon, and I know this is gonna take a little bit of editing because I cannot resist editing the zoom in shots. They are too perfect. Oh look, Jay got himself some coconut to drink. And now he's asleep again. He passed out. Um, yeah, I will see you guys later, and we're gonna be filming the flyball competition.